everyone. So I have this chunk here weeded. I'm going to try to get from the trunk there to about here now before dinner. It's been really windy today to the point where I'm feeling uncomfortable. So I did this yesterday over here and all the way up to here. So I'm so happy to see that this is practically on the whole bed, I think. Here's the fence close up. Did a little bit of adjusting because it was a little off, and that one over there still is a little bit, but I can't adjust that top one there because the screw won't come out. If I can, I will, because I'd like to raise it just a tad more so that it's a little bit more pleasing to the eye. I don't know if there's a way to fix it other than replacing the post, which I didn't want to do, but I'll definitely look at options. I have not touched that there, and I probably won't until I get the septic tank area done, because yeah, this is not a priority and it's out of the way. And I think I'm just going to take the tall weeds off. I'd like to do something more stable here rather than weed all this stuff every time. So in terms of the Playhouse, I have the trim, the railing, and the 2x2s on the list. I might do a little bit of caulking inside today. And I was thinking to do that because it was so windy. I just didn't like to be out exposed. So we may do that. I had forgotten that I had bought these solar lights. So I think they're just perfect for lining the walkway here. And it's just enough. So I haven't seen Harry at all, so I believe he has moved. He has definitely moved, but I do see another one, not Harry, and I think it's the initial spider that I saw, and he's a biggie. He was there today in those crevices, so it kind of concerns me that there's spiders there because the kids like to sit here, and so does Elizabeth. So that's a little perturbing for sure. So this deck really, or dock, really needs some TLC. I don't know if that's in the budget in the next few years. See all the soil here, and it's really mucky. And then you get all this stuff growing. So I'll try to get some of that out. I don't know if I'll have time, but I wouldn't mind getting the rocks for there because I don't want that sand to disappear, and move a few more of the rounded rocks over there. Just make a really nice display. Similar to what's there, but not so. I don't like when it's windy in the summer at all. So, well, I'm gonna go weed now, and I'm kind of nervous around those little crevices now. That was a serious spider. It's been quiet on the bay. Tomorrow's supposed to be around 30 degrees Celsius, so it's going to be quite hot. I hope it's not humid. And I hope the wind goes away. I really don't like it. Can't believe that I threw all of this grass seed on here last year because it's been a bit of a nightmare. So I think, don't know if I'm going to come back out tonight because the sun is kind of going down. Might be around 6:45. So I may not come back out. And it's not cold, but it's fresh. I don't want to get wet by doing the stairs, so I'm going to have to postpone that till tomorrow. So next I'm going to do from there over to here. So another hour or two, and then from there to the trunk, and then across it. So four more sessions, I think. Oh my goodness, this has been an unbelievable amount of work. Back breaking, never mind. But look at that. And look how nicely it's coming in now that it's been uncovered. And there's amazing moss that is covered that we haven't been able to expose. And then these low spots, I'm just going to fill in with soil and just get a nice, I just don't know if this will grow through the soil. I'm not going to compact it, but I just want to make sure that I don't lose it. So some of this moss here we have to remove for the walkway next year. So I can always move this section here over to there if need be, or any bald spots, but it's going to spread quickly. Like over here there's nothing, so I can literally put soil here. And there's a couple of areas there, I think, where there's been erosion. Yeah. So this here, I wanted to order some soil, but they're completely sold out. I saw some at a grocery store here, so I think what I'm going to do is maybe drive out tomorrow and pick some up, maybe 15 bags. And then maybe I'll go out on Monday and get another 15 because I want to fill this up and raise it a little bit, and then just run the garden thing along here so that it's contained. And I think it's going to come, yeah, to just about here. So the height isn't too bad, so I'll just bring it up to here. No, it's gonna be up to here. I'll take you up on the deck. Can't wait to see whether those solar lights are going to come on today. It's looking nice. Once we have the deck in there, I'll clean up that area right away. Anyhow, really excited. Love how the property is looking. Oh, I was going to videotape those flowers blowing in the wind. Beautiful. Look at this particular one. Wow, that purple and this fuchsia, gorgeous. The fern here didn't do too well, but this one is kind of peeking through. So there's the yellow flowers just waving in the wind.